Hi guys, today we have another basic unboxing video. We have a Nothing Phone 3A. This is obviously by Nothing. We're just going to go around the packaging. Anything interesting? So this is, I don't know if you can see that, so it's a Nothing 3A model. It's A059 black, 8 gigabits of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. So that our life cycle carbon footprint is 51.3 kilograms. Manufactured date, this was manufactured in January 2025. We got the SKU and inspector number. So we're just gonna quickly have a look at that. Anything interesting here? Okay, something about USB 2.5 50 watts USB power delivery. Okay, so let me unpeel the sticker now quickly. This is the to open. Okay, that is an interesting way to open it. I actually kind of like it, to be fair. Oh, that's a nice textured box. I don't know if you can see that. It's actually a very nice box, like a book. Open it up. Welcome to Nothing. Well, isn't it exciting? Moments like this are why we're here. That anticipation to get started, to unlock something new. Thank you for being part of our world. Here, your voice can be heard and your creativity celebrated. Use with Nothing on Instagram and X for a chance to be featured. I'll help build the feature by joining Nothing.community. Okay, that's the phone, and let's have a look inside. Okay, so that is a USB-C by USB-C cable. Very simple. And then what else do we have? We have quick start guide. Doesn't look very quick to me. Anything else? Yeah, there's something else in there. There's always something else. It's like a small bit. Oh yeah, an opening SIM device opening tool. And yeah, it seems that's it. I don't think there's anything else. No, can't pull this. Can't pull that. Okay. So we're not going to need the tool for now anyway. I'll leave it back in. Put the cable back in. We're not going to need that. And the quick start guide in there. As well as this. And let's move these boxes and offset them to one side because we're not going to need those now. Okay, so ooh, shiny. So we got a bit of an explanation. So we got a power button starting on 3 seconds, plus and minus for the volume rocker. I'm not entirely sure what's that. That's an additional button there. I don't know if you guys know. Please put it in the comments below. SIM slots and a USB-C charging. We're gonna pull this tab off. Okay. Until. Okay, so similar like the older versions of Nothing, you've got the transparent back. Actually look quite cool. I can see my reflection in it, which is not great, to be fair. And you got the font. You already got a screen protector applied to the phone. These are the volume rockers, the additional button. So looking at the description of this phone. So this phone is 128 gigs with 32 megapixel front camera, 30 times ultra zoom, 50 watts fast charging, 6.77 inch full HD plus flexible AMOLED display. What else did it say? Essential key. On your button on the side of the device, press once to capture the content on your screen. As long as you or long press to record your voice, ideas and inspirations on the go. Essential space, everything in one place. It removes the friction from recording content. All organizes your captures and generates personalized suggestions to help you stay on the top. You've got 5,000 milliamp hours battery. What else do you got? It's 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate display, IP64. And you've got the main camera is 50 megapixels, telephoto camera is 50 megapixels. You've got an ultra wide camera, so you got 3 cameras at the back. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, and obviously the range front camera is 30 megapixels for ultra clear selfies. Okay, at least that's what it says. Anything else? This is with nothing OS for, software. And you get 3 years of Android updates and 6 years of security patches. Okay, so that's more or less about it. Let's start the phone. We're 5 minutes into the video. Hold the button for 3 seconds. Let's see if we got battery. Yeah, nothing phone. Just started there. Nothing. The first thing I'm gonna do is just increase the brightness. Let's see if we can. No, I need to press next. Skip for now. I'm just gonna connect to my network. I like the haptics. Haptics is actually quite nice. So that is okay. Well connected there. So it's prompting us. So I've got an iPhone 15 Pro, which I'm recording these videos on, and this Nothing phone, it has a lot brighter screen from what I can tell. Let's see once we get to the main screen, to the dashboard, if we experience the same. But I can certainly tell. I don't know what kind of brightness is this. Obviously, this is meant to be basic unboxing, so don't copy any apps. Checking phone info. Skip. Don't want to sign with Google. Skip. Not. I don't want to. Yeah. More. Accept. Yeah. Use. Next. Search engine. I'll go with Google for now. That's it. Set as default. Set the pin. Oh dear. 9999. 9999. Yeah. All notifications. Skip. I don't want to set up any fingerprints. Okay. Terms and conditions, of course, you need to agree. Yep. Bit of animation there. Okay. Meet the Glyph interface. When you get phone calls, essential notifications, timers. Okay, essential. Capture your thoughts on the go with power of AI. Press and hold the essential key button to capture the screen. Keep holding to record audio. Okay, it explains what's new. Personalized clock. Rearrange. You can rearrange your icons. Share your favorite widgets. Okay, that's interesting. And more. Okay, next. Install updates. Remind me later. I want the classical. Nothing set up. Let's see the brightness. So what kind of brightness we deliver? Yeah, this is definitely brighter than my iPhone. Very responsive. I don't know if we can play some music. I've got YouTube music. That's interesting. Device files only. Would there be anything on device? Hello? Hello? Anything to play in the albums? Any songs? Maybe that's something that needs to be added on. So first impression is quite good. Let's see the camera. Only this time. Oh my god, yeah, you can tell that's a good zoom. Videos, you can choose the video recording setting, 4K 30 FPS, okay. More settings. Better storage efficiency, okay. Tap to other city. Probably if I can just play any music just to hear the sound. Allow. I'll try to play no copyrights, no copyright music, and we'll test the button. So let's go with motivational music, no copyright. Yeah, it's a stereo speakers like. No, we don't want to look at that. No, I'll stop that. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Try to avoid copyright, so I apologize for that. Copyright-free video. No, okay. Well, to be honest, yeah, first impression is good. Phone seems big. Battery was only at 48%. Storage sufficient. I think this phone goes for like £330 on Amazon. It's a decent sized phone. The camera looks nice. The back looks nice, shiny. It is similar size to the old 2A, I believe. And yeah, it just looks all around sturdy. It feels actually quite hefty when you hold it, quite substantial. But yeah, those are my first impressions on the phone. I wish I could make this video a bit longer. Unfortunately, this is taking way too long, and I think a lot of you guys would get bored with this phone. I do hope you enjoy this content. This is a non-sponsored video. I don't get paid for this. These items I normally purchase myself. So yeah, so if you've got any questions, please put comments in the box below, and I'll do my best to answer them. But for now, take care, have a good night. Bye.